Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the Priest official teaser 3.
Yes, so this is the third teaser.
Yes.
Actually, they have not released any
Any
trailer.
yes.
Okay, only teasers.
Right.
Three teasers they
Yes.
have simultaneously released, and I
Yes.
think this movie is going to be released on
11th March.
11th March.
So after 2 days, right?
2 days only, yes.
Today is 9th. So
Yeah.
I don't think there is a scope of releasing any trailer.
Maybe
right?
tomorrow they can release. Maybe there is a chance.
But I think they have revealed a lot of the things in teaser
in teasers
itself. So they
yes.
have brought 3 teasers all
This
together.
is a little bit different, no? A little bit different way of presentation.
Right.
I really
For
like that.
Master also we have seen they haven't released any trailer.
Any trailer,
right?
yeah. So we are hoping that this movie will be having the subtitles. We really want to go and watch this movie, but if it is in Malayalam only, then it will be very difficult for us. So please let us know if this movie is going to be released with the subtitles.
Yes.
Then please let us know if you know. Okay.
Yes, exactly, because she loves a horror movie.
I love horror movie, and it is looking very promising.
Yes.
I just want to witness, Mammootty sir's action, Mammootty sir's appearance, every single thing about Mammootty sir. You all know that we love Mammootty sir a lot.
So let's talk more about
Yes.
after watching this teaser.
Very true. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please make sure subscribe this channel and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please do follow us on Instagram.
Yes. So let's get started.
Yes.
Oh, this is very small.
Yes. I think
Oh my
every
God.
time we watch this teaser, means a teaser of
All
the
of the
priest,
teasers, huh?
all of the teaser are so beautifully created, and it's giving the appearance.
Very
Right,
great.
appearance that how this movie will
appearances.
be.
Yes. So just see this teaser one more time. What say, Abhay?
Yes.
Let's see
once
this one more time, because I couldn't understand. This is very fast. Let's see this one more
Yes.
time.
Yes.
All of the main scenes, I think they have focused.
Not only main scenes, but I think they have focused main characters.
Main characters also
Right.
as well. Yes.
Yes.
I am quite sure that this movie will be having very much twists.
Yes.
What I can think, because Mammootty sir is the role of itself, the priest only, but I think something will be there behind his character.
Yes.
Maybe he is the priest, but something
He
will be
is
there. He
a
will be
negative
possessed.
character, right?
He will be possessed by the ghost, or something will be
Something.
happened. I can witness this thing.
Or there can be a scenario that there is no ghost.
There is no ghost also can be there,
some
but
suspense or some thrilling things are going around, and people are thinking that there is some ghost.
But I can sense that we will be like definitely having the goosebumps if you see the movie. I can definitely sense it. Why? Because this is outstanding. If you see the picturization, this is very good. They
Yes.
use very high categorized VFX and
Exactly.
editing
It feels like that
softwares.
Hollywood quality, right?
Very true. And also the music, the BGM which is running just like behind,
That is
it is like powerful, very
And
strengthy.
of course, we love thriller movie.
We just love thriller movie, and
this is a mixture of both. Ghost movie, horror movie, as well
Yeah.
as this thriller.
I'm very fond of horror movie. I'm
Yes.
very much fond of horror movies, but unfortunately I have not got any horror movies which are ultimate, like to which movies I can give 10 out of 10. I have not seen this movie yet in my life, but definitely this movie is I'm having
Feeling
that sense
promising, right?
promising. This movie is going to be very promising. That is why I'm keep on telling that please make sure that the subtitles should be there. But I don't know whether subtitles will be there or not, but we are really hoping so. So yeah, coming back to the character of Manju Warrior, the lady, she was looking perfect mother in this whole movie. Previously also we have told that she was looking very promising. She is a very
A powerful
great,
character,
very
right?
powerful actor
Yes.
also. We all know that. So what do you think about like क्या हो सकता है story line?
The
तुमको
story,
क्या
I
लग रहा है?
think in the teaser 2 only we have
Let's
discussed
discuss.
lots of possibilities.
Yes, maybe I think like they all are having a very lively kind of a family, and suddenly that family will be in danger.
Yeah, that
Right?
can happen.
We have seen in teaser one that the
Yes.
little girl, she was very small, and she, I think she
Gradually
can
she-
see ghosts, something like that. She can witness
right,
ghosts,
right. Right, in teaser 2 itself we have
Teaser
seen, right?
2
It's,
also, she-
that ghost
she
or
has the power.
some supernatural power
हाँ.
is protecting her.
Protecting her. She also can feel, I think, that power, and her mother was like constantly capturing the activities, I think, with her in the camera. We have seen in the teaser 2.
Yes.
There we have seen that mother and daughter, everyone like was like feeling something. They were very afraid, and they were running like anything, some cuts and all.
Yes.
And then the appearance
Right.
of the priest has happened, like with
Exactly.
the dog and all.
Yes, I think
With
in
like
teaser 2
Mammootty sir.
also we have seen like that girl, that ghost is protecting that
Protecting,
girl, and all other members of that family are died.
Died.
Right.
So
Something
that's
it
what
was there.
we saw. So
Yes.
we cannot predict that much. This is the, I think, beauty of producers or directors capability, that people cannot predict what kind of movie it is going to be.
Right.
Because if you see many of the teasers or trailer, no, we can
predict almost a lot of the things we can predict,
okay,
but-
okay, this
Yes.
will be happened, ये movie ऐसे type का होने वाली है, but we cannot predict like what is going to be.
Yes,
But
I think
yes,
only thing we
definitely
can predict in this
Yes.
particular teaser, right? And like this is going to be a horror thriller kind of movie.
Yes, and this is going to be very twist and turns and a lot of क्या बोले
Suspense and
suspense
all,
will be
everything
there
will
in
be
this
there.
movie. That is, we are quite sure about that.
Yes, sir.
Right, Abhay? And also one more thing, just I want to mention that Mammootty sir, he has, I think, has done a lot of thing in his physique. I think he is exactly looking like around 30 years old person. What
think-
I understood, because with the coat and all.
he was looking around 40 to 45 years.
No,
I think
for
like
me,
that.
he is looking like 30 to 35 only, because somebody will not tell that how old he is. I cannot judge that. Okay, what is his
And of
actual
course,
age? He's
if
looking very
anybody
fit.
having lot of beards also, then you won't be able
You
to
won't
judge
be able
also,
to.
right?
And his physique and everything, he was
Yes.
perfect match for this priest role. I just again and again want to tell this thing.
And that not
The
only
cast
that
selection.
physique, but everything, like whatever the dressing sense
Yes.
he was having, that round kind of cap he was wearing, so that
Chashma.
also perfectly matching with the character,
with this character.
the
Yes.
way it needed to be
The
a
Christian
character, it was
priest.
looking like that
It was
only.
looking exactly like that.
Yes.
And also the cast selection is very good, actually. Very good. So this movie is going to be our favorite movie, what we can understand.
Yes.
Just hoping that subtitles should be there. That's all. And it is a 10 on 10. I think this is a final teaser. So
Yes,
all
of
of the teasers are getting 10 on 10 from our side, right,
Yes.
Abhay?
And I don't have any news that any trailer is going to release or not in this
Not
2
sure.
days.
Not
so
sure.
hopefully there will be no trailer for this one.
Yes.
Yes.
So that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed it, and yeah, if you enjoyed too, please subscribe this channel, and also please click on the like button to like this video,
Yes.
and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.